Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. In another new video today we have the Dragon Ball Adverge Motion 4. I missed one, is Broly. I didn't found him. This is all I found in the store. So I did buy what I found, and I might get Broly later on, and we can put him together with all those sets. There are 6 of them. Well, we're going to do an unboxing and review of all those small letter figures. Alright, we're going to start with Vegeta. The cool thing is, between Vegeta and Goku, you can put them both together as shown in here. And this is cool. Those are pretty cheap. The prices are not like really expensive. They don't pass the 10 bucks. They're pretty. They're not like really bad. I guess there was $7. Yeah, $6.99, which is not bad at all. Alright, we're going to put him in here, and also in the stand they show you that you can put him with Goku. Uh-oh. This one go right here. Show you how to put this one in. Alright, it's right here. This is the little stand. I like the clear stands. They are beautiful. Let's open Goku so that way we can see how we're gonna look with him, with his friend Vegeta. Alright, Goku is right here. It's beautiful. The hair color also is pretty cool. You can put them separated, each one in his stand, but you can also put them together if you want to. For some reason I don't like this thing right here. It don't go through, like it's not made for it or something. I don't like those small details. Alright, we're gonna leave them in here on the side and keep going until I finish all the unboxing and I can fight with them to fix them. This is Vegeta right here. Actually, this is Vegito, not Gogeta. Yes, this is Vegito. Uh-oh. Jumped. We have Super Saiyan Goku. This one look weird, like you don't have a nose or something on this side. There's no shading, that's why. But the hair is pretty, it's so beautiful. I like the hair. I don't like the face. There's no eyebrow, no shading, no nose, no... it's not bad. Anyway, that's why they're cheap. And the last one. And last but not least, we have Little Zamos. And I guess this one is Puchara earring. Yeah, it's Puchara earring. This one by far is the best of all of them. And if I give a win, I will give to this one. The eyes, they are gorgeous, man, and the hair is beautiful. Everything is beautiful about this figure, to be honest. Let's see what they give you in here. What is this? Oh, this is the thing go behind him. It's pretty. Okay, this one go right here. Like I said, this by far is the best. With accessories, looking, and also the small detail of this holder that I didn't like in the other ones. Come on, I hate those holders. They're really bad made. So cheap. Normally they need to be easy to put in. But anyways, all right, I'm going to put all those on their stand and stuff, and we're going to do a close-up look to all the figures and see how they look like. I will leave you with some music, guys, and I see you in the next video. Peace.